Hey guys, welcome to Adama's channel. Today's video we are going to be making seafood boil for the whole family to enjoy. Our first ingredient is some corn that we cut in half. We have some shrimp that has been cleaned but the shell is still on. We have mini potatoes and some tomatoes and onion, and this is the lobster tail. Then over here we have some chopped onions. And in the pot we have 3 sticks of melted butter and garlic. And for the sauce we have chicken broth. And the seasonings for the sauce we have Creole seasoning, Cajun seasoning, Obey seasoning, black pepper, some Kushner salt, and garlic powder. We also have some sushi ginger. Okay guys, so now we're gonna add the chopped onions to the pot with the butter and the chicken broth, and we're also gonna be adding in some sushi ginger. Now we're gonna be adding the mini potatoes to the pot with the corn so that can start boiling up. So now we're gonna add in our shrimp to the pot with the small potatoes and the corn. You can see here we were trying to stir our shrimp to make sure that it was getting fully into the sauce so it would steam good and cook correctly. Okay guys, so now we're gonna season our butter. So we're adding some Cajun seasoning. Now we're gonna add some Creole seasoning. We're gonna add our Obey seasoning. Now we're gonna add our garlic powder. And now we're gonna add our black pepper. Okay, so now we're gonna add some lemon juice to our sauce. I use 1.5 lemons for this, and I just squeezed it with my lemon squeezer. Okay, so now we're gonna add some Sprite into the sauce. Look at the fizz. Time to add the lobster.
Cover the pot and let it heat.
Okay guys, this is the final result, the end product. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you in our next video. Bye guys.